Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find API key in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, make sure that you're logged into your Notion account in a separate browser tab. This is crucial because it allows you to seamlessly link your account when you visit developers.notion.com. Now, let's head over to developers.notion.com. Once you're on the site, you will want to navigate to the Notion API section. When you're in the Notion API area, look for the option that says Get Started. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating the API with your Notion account. After that, scroll down to find the My Integrations section. It's typically located towards the lower part of the page. This section houses all current integrations linked to your account. Click on it to proceed, and you'll be able to see what integrations are already available and start creating new ones. Once you're in the My Integrations section, keep an eye out for the New Integration button. Clicking this button allows you to create a fresh integration. Next, you'll be prompted to add a name for your new integration. After naming your integration, you'll need to select the associated workspace. Make sure you're connecting to the correct workspace to avoid any confusion down the line. After you've selected the workspace, click on the Save button. This action saves your integration settings and effectively submits your new integration for creation. Now your integration has been successfully created. Now it's time to find your API key. On the integration page, you should see an option to show your API key. This key is vital for connecting your Notion workspace with external applications. And there you have it. So that is how you can find API key in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.